Hi and welcome to this new episode of Crazy Food Hunter. Today we taste a special product from Italy, Stappj Chinotto. Maybe it's how you pronounce it. I don't know. So on it you see an orange, but it's really dark. It has the color of a Coca-Cola actually. So is this a medicine? What is this? This is good though. This is good. It tastes a bit like a bitter. I mean, it's the same kind of medicine taste, but it's really sweet. It has nothing strong about it. Anyway, if you want to see the taste test of the bitter, link in the description or at the end of the video. This is like nothing. You never taste like something like this, or you are Italian, because this comes from Italy. So the big question of the show: do I advise some Stappj Chinotto? Yeah. Here we have a winner. It's different. It's crazy. Wonderful. One of the really most different product that I ever taste. Is that possible? To me it tastes super good, but I feel like it's something you hate it or you like it, but there is no in between. But yeah, if you can't find some, buy some. It's really special. So that was Ken Park for Crazy Food Hunter. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment. What the heck? Don't forget to comment, like and share this video. I do weekly video on Wednesday. See you next week.